go. A lovely shot here. Just get it a little bit lower. Everything's looking really, really nice at the moment. I'm just going around cleaning all these pots, weeding them, giving them a good clean, because you get a lot of splashback, as you can see there. And that's the mineralisation from the feed. You get salts appearing, but these are done really well. Always let these dry out for the winter, leave them outside, and you don't get any expansion, and you don't ruin your beautiful, expensive terracotta pots. But yeah, just want to show you what's occurring. We have beautiful red petunias, some violet ones there, and a white one in the corner. We have some beautiful yellow ones here. These are from Thompson & Morgan, one of the best investments I've made this year. Absolutely gorgeous, and the scent is divine. That's a compost I'm using just down there. These red ones are absolutely amazing, man. Look at those. Stunning colours. But the size of these flowers here is amazing. And the white one over here. Look at the size of that bad boy. Wow. Down here, we have my super tall sunflowers, which are just starting. I've repotted them. Took them a couple of days to get over the shock, but they are setting off nicely now. These are looking really, really worse for wear. They got overwatered in the greenhouse. That I was that scared of underwatering that I actually overwatered them. So I repotted them. I'm going to give them a spray tomorrow for powdery mildew. Hopefully that will help with some of the effects of overwatering. But all you can do really is repot them and let them dry when you overwater. Just coming up here, just want to show you what's flowering, what's occurring. The bearded iris, I was going to dig these up, but I've left them. So as soon as they're finished flowering, this part of the bed here will be dug up. I will leave the hostas, but just this area here, I'll leave this delphinium, which I'm really pleased with. I call it electric blue, because that's what the colour's like, electric. I sprayed these for lily beetle. I've not seen a sign of them, so I sprayed them. Come up the path. All this is going to get jet washed this week or next week, hopefully, if I can afford it. Get rid of all the weeds. So you have to look at it from the road. Those hanging baskets, give them 2 or 3 weeks and they will be just overflowing with flowers. I'll leave them another week or so, then I'll give them a little nip back. That'll help them bush out and they will just be fantastic. This pink geranium, I got told it and I've saved it on my phone, but for the life of me I cannot remember what it's called at the moment, but I've got the name saved somewhere. Look at these sticky buds everywhere, man. Doesn't matter how often I go through everything, they always appear. Come down here until everything gets really well fit in my garden. How lush and green everything is. Come a quick whiz round. Look from here. As you can see, the lawn is just getting ready for the next cut, which I shall not do tomorrow, just going to throw it down. I just wanted to come out this evening and show you the first peony flower. Look at that, absolutely amazing. And the scent, wow, that is stunning. And look how many flowers are on that. I don't even want to count it, but with 3 or 4 per branch, per stalk. Sunny! There's my little friend, Sunny. Sunny! There he is. Lovely friend. We come over here, we have my perennial poppies, my oriental poppies. Look at the beautiful flowers on that. Look at the sticky potato. I need to get in there, not tomorrow, the day after, and pull all those out again. And then, come around and have a look from this side. Look at that, isn't that amazing? And then look at the front there, all that is just going to get, all that's going to be full of pots with flowers in. It's just going to look amazing. If you were like my channel, I really do appreciate it if you would like and subscribe, or subscribe and like, whichever way you want to do it. But I really do appreciate it. It really does help my channel. If you can leave a comment as well, that would be brilliant. But I'm trying to raise enough money now. I want to get a whole new set of tools, petrol or electric, so I can do the hedges, the gardens. I will leave some reviews, tell you what I think about them. Well, so let's just have a quick walk around this way for once. Another peony. Woohoo! So excited about those flowering. And this one, these were just covered in lily beetles, but not anymore. So yeah, if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe and like. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.